That was Adi Anand for all of you. A few words of this wonderful trio. The two male dancers, Dhirendra Tiwari and Sanjit, had a hard time today because you don't have a Mohini in the middle who's the enchantress, and then you have to fight with her on the stage. But I must say that both of them held themselves fantastically. Sanjita Sinha from Ahmedabad, Dhirendra Tiwari and Sanjit Gangani from Delhi. It's such a blessing for the three of them because we have amongst us today, I think, the cream of Kathak gurus here. We have Deepak Maharaj ji, we have Rajendra Gangani ji who's hiding at the back there, but I saw him. And there's Abhimanyu Lal, and there are wonderful young dancers, and of course the senior Srimati Chetana Jalan, with whom I have worked a lot in the past. All great people here, young and enthusiastic students are also here. May I welcome on stage our musicians, the music ensemble for today. Vocal, Samiullah ji. You know, he has a voice which is like silk, but it's not just the normal thin silk that you would want to have. It's almost like the Kanjivaram silk that we all see. I mean, he has such a wonderful depth and a weight to his voice, and at the same time, he sings so mellifluously. Our shlokas sound so beautiful in his voice. Thank you, Samir ji. Padma, Mohit Gangani. Another from the family. Okay, the Ganganis have just taken charge of Delhi. So you had him on the tabla, fantastic. Pakhavaj Ashish Gangani. And he was not just all hair and smartness, he was really, really fantastic today. So, it added to the effect. The Pakhavaj is such an instrument that you expect that kind of rounded sound, an amazing sound, suiting the character of Shiva. And I think he did a fantastic job. Bahut badhiya. Sarangi was Amir Khan ji. You know, the traditionality of the Sarangi just gives you that, the tonal quality of it touches your heart and pulls those strings that you need when you need it to be done on stage. The expression of the dancer and that playing of the Sarangi, I think together just weaves a very beautiful, magical picture for us. Thank you so much for that. Lights, Pankaj Sinha, can I call him down from there? Pankaj is a wonderful dancer and husband of Sanjukta Sinha. I have to thank him for being very cooperative and agreeing to do the lights for me this evening. Thank you, Pankaj. It was really magical, the lights and the entire atmosphere that he created for us. Notwithstanding the rains and the traffic and all the issues that we have in our life, this is those 45 minutes to 1 hour when you just forget about all the honking and the cars and the, everything and the umbrellas and the raincoats, and we just sit here and we are in bliss listening and watching the dance. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure to bring Adi Anand to all of you. Yes, please.
Thank you, Shashi. I mean, this wouldn't have been possible once again without your support. I'm going to take 1 minute. I'm just trying to be the assistant myself, so I'll be back in a minute. गुरु जी अब प्लीज एक बार स्टेज पर आ जाए।
उषा जी से बहुत पुराना एक एसोसिएशन है, वो एक गुरु भी हैं और कई अच्छे अच्छे फेस्टिवलों में मैं भी किया इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। उसके साथ एक बात ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि दिल्ली की आबो हवा में हमारा भी आबो हवा खराब है, तो ज़्यादा बोलना उचित नहीं है, बट ज़बरदस्ती बस इतना ही कह सकते हैं कि ऐसी एनर्जी जो है नृत्य की, संगीत की, ऐसी सभा ये हमेशा होती रहती तो दिल को अच्छा लगता है, हमारे अंदर भी वो वापस जोश आता रहता है। तो ये जोश बरकरार है, ऐसा ही चलता है। संगीता को बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत आशीर्वाद। और उषा जी, उनके नाम उषा एक किरण भी होती है, वो किरण हमेशा सबके लिए बनी रहे। और आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, सबको मेरी तरफ से थैंक यू फॉर आप सब आए। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
आजकल दिल्ली में दो ही लोग जो जुगलबंदी कर रहे हैं बहुत ही धमाकेदार तरीके से। मैं दोनों को इनवाइट करना चाहती हूँ, दीपक महाराज जी और अभिमन्यु लाल, प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज। जिनके वीडियोस काफ़ी लोग देख रहे हैं, मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज आ रहे हैं, तो मैंने सोचा दोनों को साथ में ही बुलाया जाए। एंड चेतना जी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्पेयर यू, you also have to come. It's a great blessing. Chetna ji, आइए please. She is the lady who brought Kathak to Kolkata and then made something out of it. She and her late husband Shamanand Jalan are institutions. She is.
राजू भैया ने जिस तरह से बोला है कि उषा जी को किरण कहा, तो वो किरण अगर जलती रहे तो हम सब अपने आप दिख जाएंगे। उसका जलना बहुत जरूरी है। ताली बजती है, उसको बनती है। क्योंकि बिना किरण के हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते। देखो उनको अपने पति को ले आएंगे किरण दिखाने के लिए, कितनी बड़ी बात है। तो जो आसपास होंगे, हम अगर हमें दिखना है तो आप जैसे लोग चाहिए। और जिस तरह से संयुक्ता ने और वीरेन भाई ने और हमारे भैया ने इतना परफॉर्म किया, इतना सुंदर, मैं कहता हूँ इस एनर्जी को देख के यकीन माने आप, जब भी अच्छा कोई परफॉर्मेंस देखते हैं घुंघरू बांधने का मन कर जाता है। और ये सच में ये शक्ति, ये ऊर्जा जो आज दिखी है, भगवान करे बस ये ऊर्जा ऐसे ही आप सबको देते रहे, हम सब मिलके, और बहुत सारे कलाकार ऐसे ही उत्पन्न हो। लेकिन किरण जरूरी है। उषा जी, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, everybody. Shubh Ratri, and we'll see you soon with yet another program like this. Shubh Ratri.